one of them got out. Oh my god, it's so good. Hi guys, in this video we are going to be doing a Primark haul and I'm going to show you some products that I bought very recently. This is the first time that I'm doing a video like this one, so let me know in the comments if you want to see a haul for a different store. A few days ago my parents were visiting and we also visited Primark. If you want to see more clothing hauls on my channel, give this video a thumbs up. This is my bag. I don't remember exactly what I got, so let's see together. And okay, so the first item is a very soft and beautiful blouse. It is like a very thin sweater. On the sleeve we have these beautiful gold buttons that add this extra detail and make this sweater extra glamorous. On the front part it is shorter. I like that the fabric is very thin because I don't really like this one on my skin. It makes me sweat like a pig. I'm going to wear this sweatshirt with something lighter underneath so it doesn't touch my skin. I know it sounds weird. And this is a very beautiful baby pink color. I got it in the size small. It is in UK it is 10 to 12. So yeah, it was 8 euros and it's very soft. I also got this beanie hat with the 3 colors. I love it because this one is a little bit thicker. It's not very thin, and now the weather in Germany is getting colder. I need something like this one, and it doesn't have a size. It is one size and it was 5 euros. So here it is. Oh my god, it's so good. I love it. It doesn't look very nice like this, so I'm going to just put it back. Ta-da! Yeah, it's going to work perfectly. I love the colors. This one is going to look fantastic with my jacket. It is comfortable. It's not very tight on the head, so I'm not going to get a headache. Oh my god, it's so soft. It is mustard, beige and white, and we also have this faux pomme. I also got some socks that are super beautiful. I love the colors. So these are the Cotton Rich Crew socks. We have 5 pairs and I got the size 37 to 42. The price of it is 3.50 euros. Let's do a small unboxing. We have this design, blue socks with the glitter details and star designs. Stars again, but a little bit transparent. And also this. All of them were star inspired. Oh, one of them got out. I got 5 more pairs of socks. And these are again Cotton Rich Crew socks. 3.50 euros. And these are softer. Let's see the colors that I got. Oops. So this is the first pattern. Not bad. Adorable. This is unique. I don't have these colors. Confusing. And also this mustardy and pink design. After that I have a clothing item. And this one is dun dun dun, a Friends t-shirt. I know what you're thinking. I know. It gives me pajama vibes as well. The fabric of this one is cotton. It is very thin. You can wear this with a pair of jeans, with your PJs if you want. Leggings, a black pair of trousers. You can wear it with anything basically. I got the size small for this one. I was trying to find a different t-shirt with a different design. Maybe with one sofa or the sign Central Perk or something, but I found this, so I bought this. Primark now has a lot of products with Friends and so many more for Harry Potter. I also bought a pair of slippers for my sister. On them they have Hermione, Ron and Harry. They are super cute. I have a picture of them because I wanted to put them on the video. If you are a Harry Potter fan, definitely go at Primark. You're going to find something. Pajamas, slippers, shoes. Shoes? Do they have shoes? No, they don't have shoes. T-shirts, yeah. Up next we have a Frozen product. It's not Frozen. And this is the heat changing mug. I don't know why I wanted to get this, but here it is. It's not so interesting now. I don't remember the names of the sisters from Frozen. Elsa, and I like the size of it because it's not very big or very small, and I'm going to drink a lot of tea in here, so cheers. After that I got these two hair clips. I like this type because it is easy to hold my hair in place, you know, like this. Without the paper, of course. It's a very easy way to have my hair back and out of my face. Moving on to the next clothing item that's not for me. I bought this for my husband and he didn't really like it. Most probably I'm going to keep it for myself. We have this black sweatshirt and the skull and the leaves. I'm going to wear this with blue jeans and black boots, also with my black leg warmers. I'm gonna show them to you. These here that are knitted, and I have been wearing them for at least a month now. They can actually keep my legs warmer. With this I don't have to wear leggings underneath my trousers because it is very cold now, and they are doing the job. Let's continue with another very soft item. This is my new scarf and I'm using this a lot. I wish it wasn't so long because it's not very easy to wear it around my neck, but I really like the colors and it is so warm. Let me know if you want to see another Primark haul or another haul. Also, let me know in the comments what is your favorite product that you bought very recently. You can find here advent calendar unboxing videos. If you like this one, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell, and I will see you in the next one. Bye! On the front part, 5 more pair of socks. So, wait for it.